Sa Lazuri staff, for Miss Tina pa lang, very thankful na ako kasi very responsive siya pag may mga tanong ako kahit na super simple lang. Talagang she makes it a point na mag-reply as soon as she could. So thank you, Miss Tina. And then si Miss Maika also, yung pinaka coordinator ko. Whenever I need her help, like yung mga form, pwede niyo po bang fill upan na lang, nasa work ako, ganito, ganyan. She's always willing to assist me, lalo na dun sa bazaar na palagi kong hinahabol. Lagi siyang nandyan to remind me, to send me kung ano-ano yung mga yung available for that bazaar. Thank you so much kasi syempre, gusto rin namin na maganda yung reception at the same time hindi pa rin aaray yung budget namin. And also, yung food, very, gusto namin yung food, masarap, oo. Tapos yung busog kami, masarap, marami, masarap yung lahat ng food. And yung other coordinators na nag-help sa amin, mga church coordinators, yung reception coordinators also, one shot away lang sila. Tapos pag nakita nila na may kailangang i-assist or ayusin, nag-initiate na sila. So, thank you very much. Talagang seamless yung naging preparation for today and even the months before. Thank you, Lazuri staff.
Sa mga future clients po ni Lasuri, dito nyo na po i-book lahat kasi para smooth na po yung event ninyo. Thank you.